My friends at the high school back in Russia, of course, some of them were interested in literature, others in math, engineering and things like that, music. I was not interested in anything, but in the junior year of high school, organic chemistry started, and that changed my life. I work with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are essential molecules of life. They have many applications as therapeutics and pharmaceuticals and vaccines and food additives and things like that. But being so desirable for biological and medical applications, they are very challenging targets for chemists. We are trying to make these molecules more accessible for the general community by developing accessible and automated technologies. When, in a nutshell, even a high school student can come to the lab, press the button and make these molecules appear. What draws me to this position is the commitment of SLU to research. Great facilities, the great support staff. This department has got a long way towards Research 1 ranking institution.